Last January 30 ay nagdaos ng kanyang ika-53rd birthday ang aktor na si Soren Legaspi at ilang mga mensahe nga ang ibinigay ng kanyang asawa na si Carmina Villaruel, pati na rin ang kanyang anak na si Cassie Legaspi na marami nga ang natouch. Ayon kay Cassie, "A day late but happy birthday to the first man in my life. Words cannot describe how grateful and blessed I am to have you as my father. Thank you for listening to me daldal for hours, for teasing and making the funniest and corniest jokes, for making me laugh when I'm down, for reminding me of God's words when in grief and in joy. Thank you for being the bestest friend anyone could ever ask for, and thank you for understanding me when no one else could." "I know you always try to take away my burdens, but just know that you can always lean on me. When you're not strong and I'll be your friend, I'll help you carry on. Sige, ituloy mo na lang yung kanta sa karaoke machine mo. I love you, tatay." Nagbigay naman ng mensahe si Soren. "Your burden is mine to lift, your sorrows are mine bear. Pain is my melancholy, and above all, your smile is my rainbow that has no beginning and has no end." Sa puntong ito ay maraming netizen ang natouch sa palitan ng mensahe ng mag-ama. Samantala, ilang mga video naman ang ibinahagi ni Carmina at ang kanyang mga anak sa pagsalubong nila para sa kaarawan ni Soren Legaspi. Mula dito sa Pinoy Showbiz Latest, congratulations and happy birthday, Soren!